Here's a quick look at how to play the Jake Bugg song, Seven Bridge Road. The chords for the intro are A, major, F sharp minor, D, and back to A. So throughout the song there's a little melody over the top, and this is how you would play it on guitar. 10th fret on the B, then to the 7th fret on the B, 9th fret on the high E, 10th fret on the B, and 10th fret on the B. The chords for the verse are exactly the same. A for 2 bars, F sharp minor for 2 bars, D for 2 bars, and A for 2 bars. Now the strumming goes 1, 2 and 3 missed, and 4 round. So down, down, up, down, up. And we're going to stay on every chord for 2 full bars. And the F sharp minor. It's a D. Pre-chorus. Now this section uses a lot of borrowed chords, which are chords which don't belong to the key, so they sound quite interesting. So for the pre-chorus we go to a B chord, which is an A-shaped bar chord at the 2nd fret, then to an F major bar chord, and an A. Back to the B, and finish off on A. So we've got the B for 2 bars, 2 bars, A for 2 bars, B for 2 bars, then an A for 4 bars. The chorus starts with the A chord again, 4 bars. F sharp minor for 2 bars, into a B7. You can still play the B chord if you want instead of this B7, that's fine. 2 bars again, then go to a D chord for 2 bars, then E major chord for 2 bars. The song then repeats the same as before, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and then we go to the bridge, where we introduce yet another new chord. We have the chords F sharp minor, B minor, D, and F. I just use a single strum on these sections. The bridge section is a lot quieter in the mix, suits a single strum. Then we go to a little link section where we play the A chord for 8 bars. The final section cycles the verse chords once, and then we sit on the A chord until the song finishes. A for 2 bars, then to the F sharp minor as usual for 2 bars, and to the D chord for 2 bars, A chord for 2 bars, then we go to a D again for 1 bar, straight to the E major chord for 1 bar, and then we're into the true outro section where we just sit on that A chord until the song finishes. The whole structure for the song is intro, twice through the verse, pre-chorus, chorus, twice through the verse again, pre-chorus, chorus again, bridge, verse, and outro. Here's how the lead guitar part is played. It's on the 9th fret of the high E string to start with the first finger. I'm going to grab the 12th fret on the B string with the pinky, and down to 10 on the B string. And back to 12 on the B string, and then 11, 9 on the G. Repeats 3 times. Then we're going to hammer on 9 to 11 on the G, and play 10 on the B, up to 12 on the B, back to 10 on the B. I'm going to pull off 11 to 9 on the G, back to 11 on the G, and finish off at 10 on the B string. There's also a mini solo section where the main riff is just expanded on a little bit. So we've got 9 to 11, hammer on the G, got 10 on the B, 12 on the B, 9 on the high E. Then we're going to slide up 12 to 14 on the high E string, and then again from 14 to 17 on the high E. So you've got, then we're going to get 14 on the high E, 17 on the B, back to 14 on the high E. Once you get in the hang of the riff, try jamming along with the song. There's plenty of chords in there, so take your time and break it up into little sections. Make sure you subscribe for more content. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.